Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Film Revenge, and today I'm just undoing my car Seat Leon FR 170 brake horsepower. And today I'm just trying to. This is the stock stereo. Mine looks like this. It looks something like this. Yep. Just taking this off with a normal stock. You find this in your boot, in your car. Find this in your car boot with the what's it called, screwdriver that comes apart. Trying to do this one hand is very hard. Comes apart to a star one, so I use the flat edge to do this. Do not use the star edge, use the flat edge to do it, and be careful, because if you look, it kind of damages the dash. So if you want to do it, don't do it from here, do it from here, because you look, this pushes apart, so you push it, then you take it off. Okay, right, and I've done that, and I'm kind of losing this. Not sure if you can see these screws here. Let me try and focus. Yep, focus. Yep, those screws there. I'm using a, what's it called? Yeah, T20. T20. That's what I'm using. Just gonna loosen it up a bit, so I can use it by hand now because I've done it with a wrench. So that's fine now. I'm just gonna use my hand and unscrew it. I'm just gonna fast forward this, and until when I'm done, then I'll show you then. Okay. Okay, now the screws are done, and now I'm gonna just put this aside here. Okay, right, now just gently get this loose, gently, trying to damage anything. Right, I'm not sure if you can see. Yep, gently. Comes out. Right. And there we go, and that's the back. You get the antenna and the plugins for it, and that's inside. You got plenty of space inside, so it's quite nice. It's quite nice. Yep, it's quite nice. Anyway, guys, I think that should do it. Anyway, guys, and that's how you take out your stock CD player on a Seat Leon FR CR, the facelift model. Anyway, guys, have a nice day. As always, bye. Hi guys, Film Revenge, and welcome back again. Right, I managed to take out the clip from the back of the stock stereo, so just put it apart and show you. Right, this is how it looks, the back of the stock stereo. This is how it looks. You get the this is difficult with one hand. You get the Volkswagen aerial and the stock ports. I'm not sure if you can see properly. One second. There you go. You get the stock ports. Put that aside somewhere. And inside, this is the interesting bit. This is ports you get. It goes in like this. So There you go. So if you're thinking of buying an aftermarket sat nav or anything like that, make sure you have the correct ports for it or adapters for it. And this is it. Just these two wires, this one and this one. That's antenna and the for the aftermarket stuff or the stock CD or sat nav thing. Okay. Anyway, guys, I think that's it. Yeah, that's it. Don't forget, it's FR, not normal CLA, just FR. Anyway, guys, have a great day. Okay, bye.